Hi everybody, today a very easy to do recipe for this winter on your Pit Boss Sportsman 3 portable gas grill, but you can do it on any other Pit Boss grills, of course. I will do a Philly cheesesteak style loaded potato. Okay, so for this recipe we need, of course, like in Philadelphia, like for the Philly cheesesteak, we need some meat, beef, we need some green bell peppers, some onions, some mushrooms, and some cheese, and that's it. Some salt, pepper, maybe a little bit of rub if you want to give another taste. There are tons of recipes for the Philly cheesesteak sandwich, but we will not do the sandwich. We will do the stuffed potatoes, the loaded potatoes. Okay, for this recipe I will use a very big potato. That's what we call the big grillers potatoes. Okay, so I will just put it in the barbecue at 250 Celsius degrees, okay, for maybe 45 minutes. The only one thing that I have to do is to draw a line with the knife, just like that, okay, to prevent the potato to explode in the barbecue. It's not really an explosion, but I don't have the word in English, so I do my best. 250 degrees, 45 minutes. The only thing that you have to know is that there are three burners in that grill. I will switch two burners on and the third one off, and of course I will put the potato over the off burner, okay, to prevent to burn it. All right, so let's go. So let's check if the potatoes are cooked. Perfect. Now I will raise the temperature of the plancha, of the griddle. So now the vegetables are almost cooked, so I will grill the meat. So further up I use the Montreal Steak Seasoning. Right, now I will finish the steak on the griddle and melt some cheese on top of the vegetables. Montreal Steak Seasoning. I close the lid. So I hope you appreciate this video on the Sportsman 3 portable gas grill from Pit Boss. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel for other recipes.